Vitamin A and its byproducts are very important in the body. Retinoic acid and its interactions are a major link in inflammation and disease, and this holds promise for some people. Vitamin A is crucial for your brain, immune system, skin, eyes, teeth, bones, and the formation of hormones. This is one reason why people with chronic inflammation without fail have skin problems. Vitamin A protects our eyes and our skin from UV damage, so it will allow you to get UV exposure and it will limit skin cancer risk. Vitamin A retinol is crucial for activating the retinoid X receptor, and this is required for PPAR activation. Vitamin A is also crucial in activating the retinoic acid receptor. Both the retinoic acid receptor and the retinoid X receptor are crucial for DNA binding proteins. They're transcription factors, and they're needed for genetic expression. The retinoid X receptor is needed to activate vitamin D and the thyroid hormone receptor. So in simple English, this means if you're deficient in vitamin A, you can take all the vitamin D that you want, and it won't make much of a difference because you need adequate vitamin A to make it work properly. Vitamin D absolutely needs the retinoid X receptor in order to get the benefits from it, and thyroid hormones need the retinoid X receptor to work effectively. You can also make pregnenolone from LDL cholesterol and use free T3 and vitamin A. So low pregnenolone could also indicate a vitamin A inadequacy. If you're popping your vitamin D pills or your thyroid hormones and it's not working, then add some real vitamin A retinol with an upper level of 10,000 international units per day to see if this makes a difference. Vitamin A increases your Th2 immune system and it decreases Th1 and Th17. It's especially important for the gut immune system. Vitamin A has other important immune functions, and it can help even if you're Th2 dominant. If you're Th1 dominant and have low PPARs, you want to make sure that your diet includes real vitamin A. Vitamin A and the retinoid X receptor are crucial for inducing oral tolerance to proteins as it increases Tregs. Vitamin A deficient animals have lower adrenal hormone production. Another study showed vitamin A deficient rats had excess cortisol and expressed a hypercortisol response. When they were given vitamin A, their cortisol normalized. Abnormal production of cortisol doesn't indicate that your adrenal glands are broken. It could be cortisol is abnormal because of low or dysregulated vitamin A. Vitamin A may benefit obesity by increasing UCP1. This was shown in mice, and this increases heat loss and fat burning. Vitamin A retinol plays a central role in increasing neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. It's critical to your hippocampus and your hypothalamus, and these control memory and wakefulness. Indeed, vitamin A is important for long-term potentiation, which is important to form memories. Vitamin A deficiency causes circadian dysrhythmia, which in turn results in cognitive dysfunction. A simple way to think about a circadian rhythm. The body has thousands of processes going on at any given time. Many of these processes function better in concert with other processes, just like a symphony, where different sounds work better with other sounds. These processes have a certain rhythm or flow. The body conducts this orchestra with clock genes. When these get expressed, it happens all over the body in a synchronous way. When you disrupt the circadian rhythm, you notice increased inflammation, oxidative stress, and cognitive function goes down. This happens in people with circadian rhythm that's not functioning properly. Vitamin A is critical to have a normal circadian rhythm, and animals fed a vitamin A retinol deficient diet have a circadian rhythm that doesn't work in synchrony. Vitamin A causes a circadian dysrhythmia. It likely results in cognitive dysfunction. Specifically, the deficient diet caused an altered rhythm of antioxidant production by the body, with glutathione catalase and brain-derived neurotropic factor affected. This results in suboptimal cognitive performance. The rhythm of these antioxidant enzymes is important because in some parts of the day we do better with more internal antioxidants, while at other times we do better with less. Vitamin A deficient animals also had reduced periods of wakefulness and energy expenditure. In addition to being important for daily rhythms, retinoic acid is also important for seasonal rhythms. Vitamin A is essential for the beta cell function in the pancreas, and this is responsible for insulin release. Its deficiency leads to excess glucose in the blood. Vitamin A competes with vitamin D and K2, and studies show higher vitamin A is associated with lower bone density. Scientists believe the relationship is causal. Some note when they take vitamin A supplements, they have a higher need for K2 supplementation. This is evidenced by gums feeling weak and sensitive, and bones feeling less sturdy. Some recommend first experimenting with higher doses to see how you feel, such as 3,000 international units, then cutting back to 2,000 international units per day. If you buy 8,000 international unit capsules, you take it once every 4 days. Make sure to take extra K2 and D3. Vitamin A is especially important if you're Th1 dominant and have low PPAR activity. Experiment to see if you feel a difference. One of the highest sources of retinol vitamin A is from eating liver. Vitamin A deficiency may affect vegans. However, some may have a genetic predisposition for high conversion of beta-carotene to retinol or anti-inflammatory Th2 immune profile. Alcohol use also depletes vitamin A. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.